Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I just got in a new Max shirt from Sezane, and I thought that today I would walk through 3 different ways that I like to style the Max shirt. The Max shirt is one of my favorite pieces from Sezane. It is a little bit more of an oversized take on a classic button-down shirt. And because of that, it's really easy to style this in a more dressed up way, but also a casual way. I really love the versatility of this piece, so let's get into a few of the different ways that I like to style it. Also, yes, I did get the pinstriped version, and I'm very excited about it. I love the more spaced out pinstripe. I think it's so chic, so very excited to get styling this one. Let's go. For my first look, I am starting with this very easy base of a white fitted t-shirt, this pair of fitted Ponte scuba style pants, and a pair of black heels. I've chosen more of a fitted t-shirt because the Max shirt is super oversized and loose and baggy, so I wanted a little bit more of a fitted underlayer here. I also selected this white t-shirt that's a little bit more of an off-white. It's not a true bright white because the Max shirt that I have selected is a little bit more of an ivory, so I didn't want it to clash too much. The pants that I'm wearing are a fitted scuba pant with a split hem, and I really love these, and I think wearing a fitted pant is a really nice way to balance out the proportions of the Max shirt because it is so oversized. And with the split hem, I've chosen a pointed toe pump that is a little bit of a kitten heel. They're not too tall, so they're very easy to walk around in all day. And the pointed toe, especially with the split hem, elongates my leg. I am a little bit on the shorter side, so anything that makes me look taller is a win. Here is the shoe that I have chosen up close. These are from Dolce Vita. I really like them. They are a little bit of a dupe for a much more expensive pair that I had my eye on for a long time, but these kind of satisfied the itch and they are incredibly comfortable. I love Dolce Vita shoes. So I've got my fitted base and I'm gonna put my Max shirt on over top. Because I'm going for a bit more of a casual look this round, I'm going to roll up my sleeves a little bit. And I'm gonna grab a tote here, black leather, to go with my black leather shoes. And this is the first way that I like to wear the Max shirt. I call this oversized over a classic fitted base. Not very creative, I guess. For my next outfit, I am doing another layering situation. This one is a really fun base. So I first got on this sweater turtleneck top. I love the way a turtleneck looks underneath a button-up shirt. However, I feel like it can get really warm if you're wearing full-length sleeves underneath a button-up. So I've opted for a sleeveless turtleneck, and this will give me the same effect without having too much bulk underneath the shirt. For bottoms, I'm gonna wear a pair of jeans. There's nothing better than a classic button-up paired back to a pair of jeans. For this outfit, I have chosen a high-rise pair of straight leg denim in a little bit of a lighter wash. And then for shoes, I am gonna go with a classic loafer. I think this really complements the rest of the outfit very well. Here is my loafer style up close. They are a patent leather, so they have a little bit of a shine, and I think that adds another fun element to the outfit. All right, it is time to layer our Max shirt over this. I really like the way this all looks together, and I'm gonna leave most of the buttons undone. And then I did button up my sleeves for this one too. I like the way it looks a little bit more polished. I still think this needs one more element, so I am going to add a belt. I think this is really chic. I've chosen a statement belt to go along with the rest of this outfit, and I think it really ties everything together. Here is the final look. Once again, I'm gonna use this black tote bag. I think this is definitely a more fun way to wear a button up with a pair of denim. Definitely giving classic with a twist. The final way that I love to wear the Max shirt is more appropriate for summertime. So I'm quite fair skinned, so I like to cover up my skin as much as possible, especially when the sun is at its strongest. So I love layering button ups over t-shirts in the summer. And for summertime especially, I like to go for more monochromatic looks. I've got a pair of very nice satin pants on. I found these from Reformation and they are some of my go-to pants for work in the summer. And I'm wearing these back to that same white t-shirt from earlier. Once again, I feel like it's not too white, so they look quite nice together. And then for my shoes, I'm gonna go with a classic ballet flat. Here they are up close. I've picked a little bit more of a beige tan color to pair back to the rest of my outfit. Now I'm putting on my Max shirt as my sun cover up. This is a nice way to wear it in the summertime that still feels really breezy and not too heavy. And it's pretty monochromatic all the way down. I will be pairing some summertime accessories with this. Just a pair of sunglasses and a little easy woven bag make this outfit complete. That concludes today's video. I hope that this provided some good inspiration on how to wear the Max shirt from Sezane. Just because it's a button up doesn't mean that it has to be worn in the most obvious way. What I like best about the Max shirt is that it is incredibly versatile, so you can wear it in a more traditional setting or you can wear it as a beach cover up. It can be casual and it can be classic. If you have the Max shirt, I would love to hear down below in the comments what your favorite way to style it is. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!